Hello, good morning, everyone. Let's start. Just a second, let me keep myself in a spotlight. We will be working on back and biceps today. It's going to be high intensity training. Your training की intensity रहेगी वो high रहेगी. Those who all are new in this session, beginners, please take it easy and be at your comfort zone. बहुत आराम से करना है, right? And listen to your body. Whenever you feel like that you need rest, please take it. No need to ask for the rest. Rest के लिए आपको पूछने की जरूरत नहीं है. You just need a pair of a dumbbell. आपको एक pair चाहिए dumbbell के. Those who don't have dumbbells, they will be using water bottle. खाली हाथ नहीं करना है. Don't do it with the empty hands. Okay? Let's start with a warm up. If you find any kind of a discomfort, किसी भी movement को लेकर discomfort या confusion होता है, you can ask me anytime. We can do the modification in the movement. Clear? So the first one is going to be your cat and camel working on your spine. You have to start with the quadruped position. From here, you will round your back, hold for a second or two, and then make an arch. Press your belly down and look up. Okay, we're gonna do this for 30 seconds. हम 30 seconds कर रहे हैं movement. Let's get ready, everyone. 3, 2, 1, and go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and change. Next one, we're gonna do your cobra to mountain. So you have to drop your hip down. आपको hip drop करना है. Your hand should be straight. आपके hand straight होने चाहिए. And then you will raise your hip up and press your heels down towards the floor. Okay, let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and change. Now come up, stand up straight. Third one, we're gonna perform your hamstring swipes. You have to bring your one leg forward. That one leg should be straight and go down as much as possible. जो आपका front leg है वो straight होना चाहिए. Okay, let's go. 3, 2, 1, and change. Now last one, we're gonna do your jumping jacks for 30 seconds. So you have to jump out and jump back. Okay, let's go. Raise your heart rate up. Keep working, keep working. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and break. Relax. Perfect. So done with the warm up part. Now we're gonna do a warm up of a movements. हम movements के warm up करेंगे. So we're gonna perform 3 movements in the main workout. 3 movement हम perform कर रहे हैं. Deadlift. पहला movement रहेगा आपका deadlift, which is going to be for your hamstring, lower back, and glutes. Second movement is going to be your bicep curls for your arms, and third movement is going to be your burpees for your complete body. Third movement में आपको burpees करनी है. Clear? Again, we're gonna do burpees today as well. So for the deadlift, first of all, use lightweight as of now. अभी आपको lightweight से start करना है. So you're gonna keep your legs hip width wide. Legs आप hip जितने wide रखोगे, your hands gonna be forward or slightly sideways. हल्का सा side पे रहेंगे. You have to push your hip back. Hip को पीछे push करना है. Bend and then stand up tall. So make sure when you are bending, try to keep your spine straight. आपको try करना है कि आपकी spine जो है वो straight रहे. You will go down and then come back. Okay, make sure that you are getting the stretch right here. यहाँ पे stretch आना चाहिए. All right, come on, let's do this for 20 seconds as of now. अभी हम सिर्फ 20 seconds कर रहे हैं. All right, come on. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Bend forward and stand. Bend forward and stand. This is just a warm up part. Remember your movement. आपके main movement यही रहेंगे. आपको याद रखने movement. And you can lift heavy in this one. इस particular movement में in the main workout you can lift heavy. इसमें आप heavy lift कर सकते हो. 10 kg each side, 7.5 kg each side, or maybe more. 3, 2, 1, and change to second movement. Second movement आपका hammer curls रहेगा. So from the same position you have to bring the dumbbells up and down. Okay, let's do this 20 seconds. Let's go. Yes. Three, two, one, and break. Weights down. Last and final movement is going to be your burpees. Last and final movement हम burpees कर रहे हैं. But the change is going to be that you don't have to stand straight. आपको पूरा नहीं उठना है. Okay, so you're gonna start from a high plank. आप high plank से ही start करोगे. You have to lie down. आपने एक push up किया. Come up, jump forward and jump back. Do not stand. Lie down, jump forward and jump back. Got it? Make sure that you are not coming all the way up. पूरा ऊपर नहीं आना है. सिर्फ एक push up करना है. Jump forward, jump back. Ready? Come on. High plank position. Starting in 3, 2, 1, and let's go. One push up, jump forward, jump back. One push up, jump forward, jump back. Great. 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. That's it. Now we are going to start with the main workout, and now you can lift heavy. अब आप heavy lift कर सकते हो. So what is the format? We will be having 20 minutes of a workout. 20 minutes का हम workout करेंगे. Within 20 minutes, you have to finish 10 rounds. हमको 10 rounds finish करने हैं. You can take rest whenever you want. आप कभी भी rest ले सकते हो. As I told you, the intensity is going to be high. Repetitions means your counts are going to be same for each movement. तीनों movement के same counts रहेंगे. So 10 deadlift, okay, 10 bicep curls, and 10 burpees. Got it? So तीनों movement के 10 10 10 है. There is no confusion. 10 for the first movement, 10 for the second movement, 10 for the third movement, and 10 rounds. Rounds भी आपको 10 करने हैं, but you have a time cap. आपके पास एक limited time है. Within 20 minutes, you have to finish your 10 rounds. Got it? So make sure that you are not taking long breaks. बहुत बड़े-बड़े breaks नहीं लेने हैं. Try to finish it as quick as possible. जितनी जल्दी हो सकता है आपको उतनी जल्दी finish करना है. बहुत छोटे-छोटे रेस्ट लेने हैं and you can have a sip of water in between. आप पानी कभी भी पी सकते हो. Clear? Let's start the workout now. अब हम main workout से start कर रहे हैं. Let's do the setup. We will be starting in 15 seconds. All right, ready? Your 20 minutes starting in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and let's go. 10 counts of each. हर movement के 10 करने हैं and 10 rounds. Okay, I'll keep checking the form. Don't worry about your form. Just try to finish it as quick as possible. जितनी जल्दी आप finish कर सकते हो, that should be your aim. In deadlift, try to lift heavy, particular first movement में. I'm not talking about the second one. First movement में it's your lower back, your hamstring, बड़े muscle use हो रहे हैं and 3 muscle एक साथ use हो रहे हैं, so you can lift heavy. आप उसमें heavy lift कर सकते हो. Nice. Keep going. Keep up the good work. 1 minute 30 seconds done as of now. अभी 1 minute 30 seconds हुए हैं. Your aim should be to finish your round every 2 minutes. हर 2 मिनट में आपका एक राउंड फिनिश होना चाहिए. Only then you will be able to finish your 10 rounds within 20 minutes. तभी 20 minutes में आपके 10 rounds खत्म होंगे. Okay? Come on, come on, come on. You have to be quick. Keep the target of that. 2 minutes done. 2 मिनट हमारे हो चुके हैं. Speed up, speed up, speed up, everybody. Almost 3 minutes done. 3 minutes हो चुके हैं. Remember your rounds. Movement is absolutely fine. Doing good. Rajnish, just open up your hands completely when you're doing bicep curls. Bicep curl करते हुए पूरा hand stretch करना है and then curl करना है. Half half नहीं करना. Okay, let's go. Three minute 40 seconds done. 3 minute 40 seconds हो चुके हैं. फोर मिनट्स हो चुके हैं. I hope everyone is on the third round. Come on, Kamlesh sir, faster. Perfect, Kiran sir, going good. Meenu ma'am. Nice, Manoj. फाइव मिनट 10 seconds डन. 5 minutes 10 seconds हो चुके हैं. Yes. विशाल, डोंट डू अ रेगुलर पुशअप. आपको पूरा फ्लोर पे लेट के करना है. यू हैव टू लाई डाउन एंड देन गेट अप. इफ यू विल डू अ रेगुलर पुशअप यू विल गेट टायर्ड विद इन फर्स्ट और सेकंड राउंड ओनली. 2-3 राउंड में आप पूरा थक जाओगे. सो लाई डाउन एंड देन गेट अप. ओके, या 6 minutes डन, 6 minutes हो चुके हैं. कम ऑन स्मॉल ब्रेक्स, बहुत छोटे रेस्ट लेने हैं, बड़े रेस्ट नहीं लेने हैं. रिमेंबर दैट. Six minute 40 seconds done. Nice, Krishna Swami sir. Seven minute 20 seconds done. Let it pain. Perfect, Ravinder ma'am. Just little faster. नीचे ज्यादा देर रेस्ट नहीं करना है लेटने के बाद. That's the main thing. Once you lie down, do not rest. That thing waste your time. विशाल legs hip width part, hip width part, hip जितने wide होने चाहिए, not more than that. That's good enough. Just keep your heart rate up. आपको इंटेंसिटी हाई रखनी है. मेक श्योर दैट यू आर नॉट रेस्टिंग टू मच. बहुत ज्यादा रेस्ट नहीं करना है. 9 minutes डन. 9 minutes हो चुके हैं. Once you finish your 10 rounds, जैसे आपके 10 rounds खत्म होंगे, do let me know about it. टेन मिनट 30 seconds डन. 10 minute 30 seconds हो चुके हैं. ऑलमोस्ट वी हैव 9 minutes नाउ. 9 minutes बचे हैं. मोहन मनोज, मीनू मैम, नागा प्रसाद, मधुसूदन, एवरीवन. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, everyone. Going good. Keep up the good work. Twelve minutes done. 8 minutes remaining. 8 minutes बचे हैं सबके. Come on. Go, go, go. Push, push, push. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, everybody. 13 minutes done now. 13 minutes हो चुके हैं. Nice, Kiran sir. Ravindra ma'am, go. 7 minutes बचे हैं. Only 7 minutes remaining. Now you have 6 more minutes. 6 minutes बचे हैं. Everyone, only 6 minutes remaining. Come on, go, 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 go. Come on, Rajneesh. Finish quickly. Come on, Meenu ma'am. Five minutes left. 5 minutes बचे हैं सिर्फ. 15 minutes done. 15 minutes हो चुके हैं. Sixteen minutes done. 4 minutes remaining. 4 minutes बचे हैं सिर्फ. Come on, come on, come on. Be quick. Great, Manoj. Rohit done. Oh, come on. Move, move, move. परफेक्ट कमलेश सर. Now 3 minutes left. 3 minutes बचे हैं. भूषण done 10 rounds. Yeah, that's great. Rest. Take a break. Take rest. Come on, rest everybody. Only 3 minutes remaining. Push, push, push. Nice, Dhirendra. Rest. Break. Take a rest. Now 2 minutes remaining. सिर्फ 2 मिनट बचे हैं to finish your rounds. Rounds finish करने के लिए. Nice, Kamlesh sir. Take a break. Take a rest. Good job. Those who all have completed, जिनका भी complete हो चुका है, now take rest. Let your body recover. Let your heart rate go down now. Kiran sir. Done. Great. Almost last minute. Last minute है. Go, 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 go. More push. Last time, then we already have a break. Now 50 seconds. 50 seconds बचे हैं. Come on, Ravinder ma'am. थर्टी सेकेंड्स बचे हैं. टेन, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and relax. Good job. Breathe. Rest everyone. Amazing. Great efforts. Catch your breath. Manoj completed? All right. Now we will be working on upper back. हम upper back train करेंगे. So we are going to perform only 4 rounds. सिर्फ 4 rounds हमको perform करने हैं. 30 second work, 30 second rest. Very simple movement. 30 second आपको work करना है, 30 second rest लेना है. So what you guys are going to do, you have to use a pair of a dumbbell. आपको dumbbell pair use करना है dumbbell का. And we're going to do your alternate rowing. So you have to keep your legs wide. आपके legs wide रहेंगे. Your body should be stable now. अब आपकी body stable होनी चाहिए. So you're going to bend forward and one by one you will go alternate. Okay, left then right. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's how you're going to do it. 30 second non-stop. आपको 30 seconds non-stop करना है and 30 second rest. 30 seconds आपको rest लेना है. We're going to do 4 rounds total. Then you will be done with the workout. हम 4 rounds करेंगे ऐसे. Okay, so one left. Again, I'm showing you legs wide रहेंगे so that you have a proper space over here, right? And one by one, left से किया, then right, then left, then right. That's how we're gonna do it. Okay, come on, let's get ready. Leg should be wide. Only then you will be having a space to move the dumbbells. Starting in 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Start. 30-second non-stop करना है. Right, then left. Right, then left. Rest नहीं होना चाहिए. No rest at the bottom. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. 30 seconds break. 3 more rounds to go. Do not keep your back rounded. इस तरीके से नहीं करना है. Engage your bigger muscles again. जो आपके बड़े muscles हैं legs के वो engage करने हैं. Glutes, hamstring, and then do it. Okay. So the load will get divided. आपका जो लोड है वो डिवाइड हो जाएगा डिफरेंट मसल पे. अगर आप पूरा लोड एक मसल पे रख रहे हो देन इट्स गोना बी टफ. रेडी अगेन सेकंड टाइम. 3, 2, 1 एंड लेट्स गो. Keep going, keep going. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and break. Two rounds remaining. 2 round बचे हैं सिर्फ. Starting in 10 seconds. Second last round. Ready? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and start. Second last time. Almost there. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Break. Last set remaining. Last round बचा हमारा. Starting in 10 seconds. Last round. Ready? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and let's go. Last round. Everyone, come on. 30 seconds. Go, go, go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and rest. Relax. Good job. Done with the workout. Catch your breath. Now we are going to start with the stretching. हम stretching से start करेंगे. The first stretch we are going to start with, that is going to be your cobra pose. Cobra pose से हम start कर रहे हैं. So you're gonna press your belly down, look up toward the ceiling and hold it. Stay there. Maintain. Hold करना है. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Change. Sit back on your calf, child pose, press your shoulder down and move your upper body towards the left side. Left direction पे आपको turn करनी है as much as you can. Hand should be straight. आपके hand straight होने चाहिए. Now slowly other side, slowly दूसरी side जाना है आपको. 3, 2, 1 and change. Place your palm under your shoulder. Fingers will be facing your side. Fingers आपकी तरफ face करेंगी. You have to push yourself back and down. पीछे की तरफ push करना है and hold it. Stay there. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Change. Now come up. Stand up straight. We're gonna stretch the hamstring. हम hamstring stretch करेंगे and we're gonna stretch your spine. So now intentionally you have to round your back. अब आपको back round करनी है and legs should be straight. आपके legs straight होने चाहिए. You will go down and hold it. Back rounded. Back round रहनी चाहिए. That's okay. We need that. Slowly come up. Perfect. Open up your legs wide. Raise your one arm up and bend towards the opposite direction. Opposite side bend करना है and hold. And change. Same with other side. Bend and hold. And change. Get back to the center. Last one, interlock your fingers. Press your hand forward and pull yourself back. Hand को आगे press करना है and pull yourself back. Hold it. 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. That's it, guys. Done with the workout. Good job, everyone. Amazing. Are we all good, everybody? Yes, great. Tomorrow we will be working on chest and triceps. So कल हमारा chest workout रहेगा. We will be doing push-ups again, your tricep workout and your chest workout. All right. I'll see you tomorrow at the same time. Thank you so much, everyone. Have a wonderful day ahead. Take care.